Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile's Techland. Today I'm going to show you how to add the hue saturation adjustment layer in your photos. First, click this icon and click hue saturation. Right off the bat, we have presets, and I'm not gonna lie, the Photoshop presets are quite very good. Then you have colors, and you can pick individual colors and play around with them according to your needs. The background has cyan, so I'll choose cyan. So if I change the hue, the overall color will change, and I can literally turn cyan to any color in the color palette. Then you can change the saturation of the color. And lastly, we have lightness, and it is basically how lighter or darker you want the color to be. As you can see, the photo has some other yellows, so if I change yellow, the overall photo gets affected. And the photo doesn't have any blue, so no matter how hard we try, we can't change the color blue because the blue itself doesn't exist in our photo. And lastly, we can choose any color with the help of our color picker tool. I desaturated the cyan a bit, and now I want to add the color to this existing color, so the yellow will also turn into the desaturated cyan. And you can also undo the colors. This was a very quick and easy tutorial of this creative tool, and now it's up to you to play around. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.